Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Global Campus, where we explore exciting opportunities and innovations from around the globe. Today, we're diving into the step-by-step process for studying abroad in Germany, particularly for Indian and other Asian students. We'll highlight the benefits, future scope, career options, and how Global Campus will support you in every step of the way. Let's get started! First and foremost question, why study in Germany? Germany, a key part of the European Union, is renowned for its high-quality education system, cutting-edge research facilities, and vibrant culture. Germany is famous for its automotive industry, historic landmarks like the Berlin Wall, cultural festivals such as Oktoberfest, and its rich musical heritage with composers like Beethoven. The country is also renowned for its delicious cuisine. Here are some compelling reasons to study in Germany. 1. World-class education. German universities offer top-notch education and are consistently ranked among the best in the world. 2. Low or no tuition fees. Public universities in Germany often charge little to no tuition fees, making it an affordable option. 3. Research opportunities. Germany is a leader in research and innovation, providing excellent opportunities for students in various fields. 4. Cultural experience. Living in Germany offers a rich cultural experience and the chance to learn the German language. 5. Career prospects. Germany has a strong economy with numerous job opportunities for graduates, especially in engineering, technology, and healthcare. Studying abroad is a truly transformative experience, but it requires careful planning and preparation. Leverage available resources like Global Campus to navigate the process smoothly and make the most of this opportunity. The second most important point, what are the step-by-step procedure? Now, let's break down the step-by-step process for studying in Germany. And remember, Global Campus will be there to help you at each stage. Step 1. Research and choose your program. Start by researching the programs and universities that interest you. Websites like DAAD, German Academic Exchange Service, offer comprehensive information about courses and institutions. Global Campus can help you narrow down your options and find the perfect fit. Step 2. Meet the admission requirements. Ensure that you meet the admission requirements, which usually include A. A recognized school leaving certificate for undergraduate programs, or a relevant bachelor's degree for postgraduate programs. B. Proof of language proficiency, IELTS, TOEFL for English-taught programs, TestDAF or DSH for German-taught programs. You might have a question in your mind. Do I need to learn German? It depends on your course. Some require German proficiency while others are in English. C. Academic transcripts and a CV. D. Letters of motivation, LOM, statement of purpose, SOP, and letter of recommendation, LOR. Let's understand these three important terminology: letters of motivation, LOM, statement of purpose, SOP, and letter of recommendation, LOR. A letter of motivation, LOM, is a mandatory application document required by most German universities. In this letter, you must explain your motivation for applying to the specific study program and outline why you are the ideal candidate for it. A statement of purpose, SOP. It serves as a personal statement that helps immigration authorities understand your reasons for applying for a student visa and selecting Germany as your study destination. By highlighting your genuine intentions, academic accomplishments, and future aspirations in your statement of purpose, SOP, you can greatly enhance the strength of your visa application. A letter of recommendation, LOR, is a document written by someone who knows the applicant's character and work ethic, intended to support their application to an academic program. This letter can be given by your professors or academic advisors, employers or supervisors, research mentors, managers or team leaders or community leaders or volunteer coordinators, etc. Additionally, you'll need an APS certificate, which verifies the authenticity of your academic documents. What is the APS certificate? The APS certificate verifies the equivalence of your educational qualifications and is issued by the German Academic Exchange Service, DAAD, in collaboration with the German Embassy. APS was first established in China in 2001, followed by Vietnam in 2007, and now in India in 2022. APS India is the gateway to German universities for applicants with Indian academic qualifications. Global Campus can assist you in preparing these documents and ensuring everything is in order. Step 3. Apply to universities. Apply to your chosen universities through their websites or through UniAssist, a service that processes applications for many German universities. Global Campus will guide you through the application process to make it smooth and stress-free. Step 4. Secure funding. Look for funding options such as scholarships offered by DAAD, the Erasmus Plus program, individual university scholarships, or educational loans. You can also work part-time during your studies. Global Campus will help you explore and apply for these funding opportunities. Step 5. Apply for a student visa. Once you receive your admission letter, apply for a student visa at the German consulate. You'll need 1. A valid passport. 2. Proof of university admission. 3. Proof of financial resources, which currently requires a blocked account with around 11,208 euros, subject to change, to cover living expenses for 1 year. Why is a blocked account necessary? A blocked account is required when applying for a visa or residence permit to prove financial stability when coming to Germany for studies, work, family reunions, etc. It is a requirement of the German authorities, which demonstrates your financial ability to sustain yourself in Germany. 4. Health insurance coverage. Health insurance. In Germany, health insurance is mandatory for everyone. International students must provide proof of health insurance coverage that meets German standards, either when registering or, depending on their country of origin, when applying for a visa. 5. Visa application form and photographs. Global Campus will provide you with a detailed checklist and guide you through the visa application process. Step 6. Prepare for departure. Finally, book your flight, arrange accommodation, and get ready for an exciting journey. Join student groups on social media to connect with fellow students and get useful tips. Global Campus will be there to support you with pre-departure orientation and settling in assistance. Benefits and future scope. Studying in Germany offers numerous benefits and opens up diverse career paths. With strong connections to leading industries, excellent prospects both within the country and internationally. Graduates can find opportunities in 1. Engineering and technology. Germany is a global leader in automotive, mechanical, and electrical engineering. 2. Healthcare. There are ample opportunities for medical professionals and researchers. 3. Business and management. Germany's robust economy provides a fertile ground for business graduates. 4. Research and academia. Germany's emphasis on research makes it an ideal place for pursuing a PhD or academic career. We provide end-to-end support from application to settling in Germany. And that's a wrap on our guide to studying in Germany. From world-class education to excellent career prospects, Germany offers a promising future for Indian and Asian students. Remember, Global Campus is here to help you every step of the way. Visit our website at www.globalcampus.tech and contact us at connect@globalcampus.tech for personalized assistance. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.